gonna get you.
This one.
Here I come. I'm gonna get you. Here I come. Here I come get you. Ah! Boo, 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 boo.
Here's food.
So, Mama, you want some melon?
No, Cash. You've already eaten.
Can I have some melon?
He didn't like it.
Why is Jay having something at 6:20 when he hasn't had lunch? I mean dinner.
Because he was excited about the melon. Jet, just eat one piece of that. I'll save the other ones for after dinner.
Hey Cash, look. It's you. Look, Mom. No, don't touch. Oh, that was funny.